Hello YouTube, here is a brief overview of a pipe vise made by American Pipe Tool Company, Chicago, Illinois. The dimensions are 9 inches by 7 inches by 4.5 inches with a usable jaw opening of just like about 2.5 inches. It does not have a lip. It can be mounted flush on the edge of a workstation. It does have 3 bolt holes to be bolted down. And it's designed to hold pipe stationary without crushing it, so it could be threaded, or I suppose cut. If anyone has any information concerning when this vise may have been produced, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.